Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're featuring what we believe is currently the best ice molder for face care available online. The 3PC's Facial Ice Roller Silicone Mold by Mabnuby. Whether you're looking to depuff tired eyes, tighten your pores, or simply enhance your skincare routine, this little tool delivers big results. Let's dive into everything you need to know. First up, let's talk design. Unlike traditional ice rollers or bulky facial tools, this product has a sleek, compact form that's both beautiful and functional. The coral pink silicone molds come in a set of 3, making it easy to rotate between them during your skincare sessions. The unique rose shell design is not just for aesthetics, it includes a thoughtful finger ring handle that makes it easier to hold, even when cold. You can slip in 1 or 2 fingers for a secure grip, and it's shaped to target delicate areas like under the eyes with precision. Now let's get into how it works. All you have to do is fill the molds with water or a customized mix of natural ingredients like cucumber juice, rose water, or aloe vera. Once filled, close the lid and pop it into the freezer for at least 5 hours. The design even features a spillover spout, so you won't have to worry about overfilling. It freezes cleanly and solidly, and once it's ready, opening it is as easy as pulling out a popsicle. There's no cracking, no fuss, just smooth, cooling relief. Performance-wise, it's versatile and genuinely effective. Use it in the morning to reduce puffiness and brighten your skin tone before makeup. Glide it gently over the cheeks, under the eyes, around the temples, and along the jawline. It helps stimulate circulation, shrink pores, and calm inflammation. And because you get 3 molds in one set, you can even dedicate each to a different skincare mix or share them during a home spa session with friends or family. What sets this apart is how multifunctional it is. Beyond facial care, it's also a handy tool for relieving migraines, cooling down after a workout, or soothing sunburn and muscle soreness. The premium silicone material is durable, flexible, and reusable, a much more eco-friendly alternative to disposable sheet masks or single-use cold packs. And to top it off, this set includes a gentle face scrubber that you can use to massage and exfoliate your skin before applying the ice, helping your skin absorb the cold therapy even better. Let's not forget the price point. Coming in under $10, this set offers incredible value. It's a thoughtful gift idea for Mother's Day, birthdays, or even a self-care treat. Whether you're new to ice therapy or looking for an upgrade from your current tool, this face ice roller set brings salon-quality results right to your freezer. To wrap it up, the 3PC's Facial Ice Roller Silicone Mold by Mabnuby is a game-changer in skincare tools, efficient, elegant, and affordable. It's easy to use, customizable to your needs, and perfect for everyday beauty routines. We highly recommend you give it a try. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more honest reviews on top trending products. See you in the next one.